Title: How to set up your 55 pop-up TV cabinet. Lift the cabinet, press the up button to raise the cabinet all the way. Grab the bracket, use a screwdriver to take the TV mount off the lifting plate. Connect bracket to TV, attach the mount to your 55 TV. Important: the distance from the top of your TV to the top of the mount must be between 1 inch and 1.1 inches. Hang the TV, place the TV onto the mounting plate on the cabinet. Lock it in place, tighten the two security screws at the bottom. You're done! Plug in the power and test the lift.